What's up guys? Today we are going to make a top 3 recommendations going into spring of 2019 for drones for you to buy. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye and Amelia is upstairs taking a nap. We are the TheRcSaylors. Welcome to our RC family. If you're new to the channel, just know that we have 6 years of experience on YouTube flying stuff like this. GPS drones, big things, little things, RC trucks and cars and planes, almost a video every day. I've got to be getting close to 1,000 drones flown by now, so we thought it would be nice for you guys to maybe save you watching over 1,400 videos of family-friendly content and narrow it down to our top 3 favorite drones going into spring of 2019, so you can have some fun of your own, get outside and just put something in the air. So what I wanted to do was narrow it down to a few different price points. I wanted something that was under $50, definitely under $50. I wanted something that was maybe under $200, and then something a little bit more expensive if you just maybe got a little extra money in your pocket and you want to buy a nicer drone. So I definitely covered a wide range of categories. Also, the drones that are on my list are recently reviewed on the channel, definitely within the last year. So I wanted some newer stuff too. The very first thing on our list, some of you can probably already guess it because it's been featured on our channel many times, is the Hellafar H803. This little drone, when it first made its appearance on our channel, just blew our minds because for well under $50, you can throw a drone in the air and it flies itself. It has obstacle avoidance. It cannot hit walls unless you're like really trying to make it hit walls. And literally, you charge the battery, you plug it in, and you toss it in the air, and it's flying. If you're a little tiny kiddo, or really just a kid at heart, but you're maybe 90 years old, anywhere in between, you're just wanting to get into the hobby, and you really don't know where to start, it's a really good place to start, because you can at least see its flight characteristics. You can see how it likes to bounce around and fly around on its own, and then when you're ready, you can turn the transmitter on. And guess what? It's easy to fly. It has altitude hold. So it means you don't have to worry about throttle management, pushing that left stick up and down and worrying about it hitting the ceiling or the floor really fast, really hard. Very easy to fly. It's a small drone meant to be flown inside. And going into spring, we all know we still have rainy days and windy days. So what a great drone to fall back on. The Hellafar H803 will be linked in the description box below, as well as our first video on that drone. If you're a subscriber to the channel, you've seen it many times. All the drones on our list will be linked down below, and I definitely want to hear from you guys. Let me know if you agree with our under $50 top pick. Now our next pick is going to be well under $200. Sometimes you can find it around $100. It is the TheRcSaylors Epic drone. It's amazing because you have camera control while you're in the air. It's got brushless motors, GPS, and honestly a really nice camera. It has really good range, and we just were really impressed for the price point. Drones have come so far, and this is just an easy drone to fly. A lot of people that are going to be flying drones this spring are going to be new to drones. You maybe shopped over the winter, you're just now getting outside for the first time in the year, especially here in the States, at least where we live in Kentucky, and you're going to be flying something that you've never put in the air before. You've seen other people do it, maybe people make it look easy, probably even our videos make it look easy, and you realizing, wow, it's not as easy as I thought. Well, a drone like this is extremely beginner friendly, and most people that have never flown a drone before can fly something like this. You can hit one button and it will return to home and land within a few feet of where it took off. That's amazing. To get that technology under a couple $100, I think just this hobby has come so far. And that is one that stands out to me, especially this year in 2019 so far. That's one of the better drones we have seen. There are some equivalent ones like that, like the Hellafar B3 or some of the Bugs drones. But this TheRcSaylors Epic drone to me just stood out from the rest in that price point, and I really think it's definitely worth your money, and you'll have a lot of fun with it. The third and final drone on our list is definitely the most expensive on this list of 3 drones, but it's the nicest camera quality, gimbal quality. You're going to see a big difference in quality when you're comparing it to other drones like this on the market, and you're going to have to spend a lot more money than what this one costs to even compete with it. It's the Hubsan Xeno. It's been featured on our channel many times this year and last year, rightfully so, because it's really an amazing drone. It's one of the first in its class that has folding arms. It is extremely stable with a 3-axis gimbal. It has a GPS on board, brushless motors, and a very nice flight time for about $400. If you use our link in the description box below, that's little Popeye playing with his toys, you can either get a free battery for that, or you can save $30. So make sure if you're interested in the Hubsan Xeno, you definitely check that link out. And just to those of you that aren't subscribed to our channel, for one reason to hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell would be to save a ton of money, because when we find awesome drone sales, or even RC trucks and other things, we tell you guys about them. So if you're not subscribed, you definitely want to be subscribed. It can save you money, tons of money, telling you what drones not to buy, what drones to buy, our favorites, fun things to do with drones, safe places to fly drones. Definitely want to stay informed, and by subscribing to our channel you can do that. To those of you that are subscribed, what do you guys think about this list? You know the stuff that has been on our channel. If you guys have other recommendations of drones that you think should have made it to our list, let us know in the comments below. But keep in mind, in order for them to make our list, we had to have featured them on our channel at least some point in time. So it would be impossible for us to get every single drone in the world on our channel. Let us know what you'd like to see on our channel. The comments section is the best place to do that. All the good stuff, the drones and videos that we've done on the drones will be linked in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!